points in the video. I'll show you it here. Wow, internet's slow. All right.
Oh my gosh, this video reminds me of my friend. You know what? I think overlay it with music and no voice needed, and nothing about an accent.
Okay.
You know, nothing worry. It's not that I'm worried about an accent. I'm gonna show you something that does work in America.
Yep.
Guaranteed.
Yep. Okay.
I'm gonna pull it up
Awesome.
right now, and it's probably
Yeah,
one of the best working things.
Okay.
Right
Cool.
now. This guy, Alex, my friend. So this is Alex. He's the guy that shares all his TikTok stuff with me. So that way I know what the hell works and doesn't. I mean, he only gets 50 million video views,
All right.
per video. So look how the style is. You see how closely that resembles the video you just did?
Yeah.
But it's only music. There's no voice. And it's
Okay.
identical. I mean, like,
Yep.
look at this. It's literally the same angle you were coming in at. It's that weird. And look.
Yeah.
These are getting...
Yeah, wow.
He's gotten hundreds of millions of views, hundreds of millions of likes. And these are just like, look, there it is.
Yeah. Literally. Like, I kind of just got that idea from some ads I'd seen on Facebook already.
Well,
but this
you
is like
stumbled across, well, there you go. I mean, you've really stumbled across like the thing that gets attention. So yes,
yeah,
the way you did it was perfect. I mean, it's going to convert. Just put a sound over it. And it'll do.
What's this guy's name on TikTok?
Alex. His name is Alex.
Okay.
Yep.
That's it.
Alex.
Okay, Alex. That's damn cool.
Yeah. Let me pull up a dog video, I think, though. I was hoping I could see one of the doggeroos they got on here. Yeah, I don't know where it's at, but...
Okay, I'll have a look there.
Yeah, I mean, it's a perfect style video. You already hit the nail on the head. You just got to have the actual content just be the sound.
Yep.
Perfect. Good. Yes,
okay,
that will
awesome.
work.